Greetings, my name is Keisha and I'm coming to you from sunny South Florida in Zone 11, and today I'm headed to the garden because I need to fertilize the garden. I have some standing water that I need to get up because mosquitoes are coming out, and I'm going to show you how I use dumps to create little, I don't want to say mosquito traps, but it does help with the mosquitoes. So walk through here, y'all. There are some like really big toads, and I'm scared of them. Like, I know they're helpful for the garden, but I am scared of them. So let's go ahead on and get started.
In the garden we breathe all the flowers in line. Sunshine woman cause so.
Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is get my water out. Okay, so we've had quite a bit of rain over the past like 2 days, and I actually have this, Liz is running around, this rain barrel right here. As you can see, it has fallen over. So I want to pick it up somehow. I think I'm going to actually put my fertilizer inside of the container itself. And I have 2 of these. I have this trash can that I converted, and then this yellow top right here. It is also collecting water from my roof line. I was able to get my container back up to this little table I have. So I'm gonna go ahead on. I'm gonna put my fertilizer inside now. Little fishing motion and a little bit of more bloom. I need to use all of this water so I can wash this container out because there are bugs getting inside of it. Onions help to deter pests, and so I have them planted all the way around all of my beds. I just went to the grocery store, grabbed a few onions, and put them out. I want to put them right here on the edges of the bed. It will help with pest management. That's it. You just take one literally and just stick it down in there. Just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go all the way around this bed the same way. Okay, so I'm facing the wrong way with the sun here, but I'm gonna do that for now. Last thing I want to do is harvest a few things. I have some tomatoes, some sun-gold tomatoes that are ready, and I also want to pick up some collard greens while I'm here. And I saw just one ripe strawberry. Let's get that too. These are called sun-gold tomatoes. My eggplant's looking a little rough. I don't know what's going on with it. I think it was the drought we had for a while there. It's a cute little tiny strawberry added to my pile here. I have more coming in. Hopefully they make it inside and nothing bothers them outside. Okay, no green beans over here just yet. There are bugs. Yeah, there are bugs everywhere. South Florida this time of year. South Florida this time of year is just like bugs. Just bugs everywhere. When you harvest your collard greens, just grab them from the bottom like this and push down. Okay. Like that, I've harvested my collard greens. Now, there was that one collard green plant in the back next to the rain barrel that I kept running into. I'm going to go ahead on and harvest these as well because they're already broken up. Let's see, do it like this. Any more damage? I think on the back. Yeah. Alright. Now it is hot here, but as long as these get water, they should continue to grow. So over here I have, this is called a Ponderosa lemon. It's a very large lemon. I'm gonna twist it off. Okay. It's still kind of firm. Maybe I should have left it. I don't know. It may not have been quite ready, y'all. I think I took it too soon. It's not squishy. Probably got a little too excited. About it. It doesn't feel squishy, but I think it'll be okay. It smells delicious. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put down these right here. This is called mosquito dumps. I'm going to put it into my rain barrel. I'm going to put just a little bit inside of my rain barrel. This will help control mosquitoes. Okay, you all, so I have my bounty for the day. I have my collard greens, I have this Ponderosa lemon, and I have my one little strawberry, as well as, oh, I didn't check the green beans. I'll do that tomorrow. I have put down my fertilizer. I fertilize all of the beds, including my green stalks. Mine is one green stalk. I do it tomorrow. Let me go inside. And I also have done all of my larger beds. I will also put down some fertilizer tomorrow or this weekend on my fruit trees in the back. I do want to get some water onto those, and my 2 fruit trees in the front. You all, let's see. And then I will do a brief garden tour with you all later as well. But so we fertilized today. We got the dunks down. We harvested Got the onions put into this bed right here to help protect it from pests. And you all, I think we're really getting summer ready. So thank you so much for watching.
There's so much ways we don't know the fear.